Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Rheem water heater tripping breaker causes and electrical troubleshooting steps. Fix 1 is reset the circuit breaker. Turn the water heater off, then go to your home's electrical panel. Find the breaker labeled water heater. Then fill the breaker fully to off, then back to on. Turn the water heater back on and see if the breaker trips again. Second one is check for a shorted heating element. Turn off the breaker supplying power to the water heater, then remove the access panel on the heater. Look for burnt wires or signs of damage. Then test the heating element with a multimeter if you have one. Then replace any faulty heating element before restoring power. Third one is inspect the thermostat. Turn off the power to the heater, then remove the thermostat cover. Check for burnt, loose or melted wire. Replace the thermostat if it is damaged or not working properly. Then restore power and test the heater. Fourth one is tighten loose electrical connection. Turn off the breaker, open the electrical access panel, then check all wire connection. Tighten any loose terminal screws, then replace damaged wires if necessary. Fifth one is check for water leaks. Inspect around the heating element and electrical compartment, then look for moisture of water dripping onto electrical part, then repair any leaks. Let everything dry completely before turning the power back on. Thanks for watching.